Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Linux. Many users believe it is impossible, but with the right tools, you can enjoy your favorite Roblox experiences. We will focus on using Lutris, a robust open-source gaming platform, combined with Wine, a powerful compatibility layer. This method ensures a smooth and integrated gaming experience, allowing you to access a vast library of Windows-based games directly from your Linux desktop. First, you need to install Lutris and Wine. For Linux Mint, open your terminal and add the Lutris Personal Package Archive, or PPA. After adding the PPA, update your system's package list to recognize the new source. Then, proceed to install Lutris using your package manager. It is also crucial to install a recent, stable version of Wine, as Lutris relies on it to run Windows games effectively. This setup provides the foundational environment for Roblox. With your chosen layout now on the page, it is time to make it uniquely yours. You can effortlessly edit any text by clicking on it and replace images with your own media files. Dive into the design settings to change colors, fonts, and spacing to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Feel free to add new elements or remove any sections that do not fit your specific requirements. With Roblox configured, you can now launch it directly from the Lutris interface. Simply click the play button and your game should start. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your graphics drivers are completely up to date. This resolves many common problems. For more specific challenges, the Lutris community forums are an invaluable resource, offering solutions and support from experienced users. Enjoy playing Roblox on your Linux system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.